All right, YouTube. I need kind of some help, I guess. My 2003 Ford Explorer here. It ain't wanting to start. It just turns over. It don't even want to turn over. It just makes a hard clicking noise. And I can't figure it out. I changed the starter. I went through all the little fuses. Checked the relays. Battery. I got full power on my battery. My lights, my radio, my blower, everything works. So I don't have no idea what it is. It's kind of stressful here, but if y'all can help a brother out, I'd greatly appreciate it. Just leave a comment.